Hello children, good morning everyone. Hope you are all fit and fine. Due to corona, whole country has locked down itself. You may be enjoying your home by staying safe. From today onwards, we are going to learn our subject and get ready for our upcoming exams. Now I am going to teach you science. Let us start the unit 13 in biology. Be eager and patient to study. Now we are going to see structural organization of animals. Structural organization of animals. You have learnt in the lower classes about the classification of animal kingdom. We will recall that kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia is divided into two groups. One is invertebrates, another one is vertebrates. Vertebrate, other name is chordates. Invertebrate means that have no bones. Vertebrate means that have bones. We are also vertebrates. Invertebrate, one example, that is Indian curtle leech. The scientific name of Indian curtle leech is Hirudinaria granulosa. Hirudinaria granulosa, which belongs to phylum Annelida. Another, the scientific name of rabbit is Oryctolagus cuniculus. Oryctolagus cuniculus. It is represent the phylum Chordata. Now we are going to see the Indian cattle leech. Do you know leech? Anybody saw leech? What is the meaning of leech? Leech means attaipuchi. Now we are going to see the taxonomic position of leech. Taxonomic. What is taxonomy? The process of arranging in scientific method is called taxonomy. Process of arranging in scientific method is called taxonomy. Taxonomic position: phylum Annelida, class Hirudinia, order Nathobdelida, genus Hirudinaria, species Granulosa. The combination of genus and species is scientific name. That means genus Hirudinaria, species Granulosa. So the scientific name of leech is Hirudinaria granulosa. Next, habit and habitat. Where it is found? Found in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. Where it lives? Lives in freshwater ponds, lakes, swamps and slow streams. It is a ectoparasite. What is ectoparasite? Ecto means outside. That means living on the skin. This parasite living on the skin and suck the blood. Sanctuorus. The Sanctuorus in nature. The leech. It is Sanctuorus in nature. That means blood sucking in nature. Blood sucking in nature. We are going to see the external morphology of leech, shape and size. The body of leech is soft, vermiform, elongated and segmented. The body is segmented body. This like a earthworm. This it becomes ribbon shaped. It becomes ribbon shaped when extended. Almost cylindrical when contracted. Almost cylindrical when contracted. Leech may grow to length of 35 centimeter. Maximum the leech length is 35 centimeter. Coloration of leech. Dorsal side is olive green in color. Ventral side is orange yellow or orange red in color. That two color only. Olive green, the dorsal surface, that orange yellow in ventral surface. Segmentation. Metamerism is the segmentation of the body. Body, that is segmented body, that have 33 segments, metamerically divided into 33 segments. Next, receptor. Receptors on the side of dorsal side, there are 5 pairs of eyes on the first 5 segments. Each segment bears number of sensory projections called receptors. That means 5 pairs of eyes on the first 5 segments. First 5 segments have 5 pairs of receptors are there. Annular receptors, segmental receptors. Annular receptors and segmental receptors. Suckers. Suckers. The leech has 2 suckers. Sucker located at the anterior end, that is called anterior sucker. That means oral sucker, which is ventral position occupying the first 5 segments. The anterior sucker is in ventral position occupying the first 5 segments. Next one, posterior sucker. Posterior sucker is formed by the fusion of last 7 segments. Posterior sucker, fusion of the last 7 segments. The anterior sucker help in feeding, while both the suckers help in attachment and locomotion. External apertures: mouth, anus, nephridiophores, male genital fossa, female genital fossa. Mouth, it is located in the middle part of the anterior sucker. Anus, Anus is a small aperture that open on the mid-dorsal side of the 26th segment. Last, that means the last 26th segment. Nephridiophores. Nephridia open to the exterior by 17 pairs of nephridiopores. Total 17 pairs of nephridiopores. They lie ventrally on the last annulus of each segment from 6 to 22. Next one, male genital pore. Male genital pore is a mid-ventral opening situated between second and third annuli of 10th segment. Female genital pore, it lies mid-ventrally between second and third annuli of 11th segment. That means male genital pore is in the 10th segment, female genital pore is in the 11th segment. Let's see division of the body. The body of leech is divided into 6 regions. First one, cephalic region, pre-clitellar region, middle region, caudal region, posterior sucker. Cephalic region, first, fifth segments. That means first, second, third, fourth, fifth segments. That are all cephalic region. Pre-clitellar region, that is sixth, seventh, and eighth. These 3 segments have pre-clitellar region. Next one, clitellar region, 9th segment, 10th segment, and 11th segment. Next one, middle segment, that is 12th to 22 segments. That middle region have more segments, 12 to 22 segments. Next one, caudal region, 23 to 26 that segments. Posterior sucker, 27 to 33 segments. These like the body divided. Next one, body wall. Body wall of leech include 5 layers. Leech wall, 5 layers. First one is cuticle, epidermis, dermis, muscular layer, proteroidal tissue. Cuticle, that is the outermost layer. Epidermis, that is below the cuticle. Dermis, which lies below the epidermis. Next, muscular layer formed of circular and longitudinal muscles. Proteroidal tissue lies beneath longitudinal muscle and fills the entire coelom around the gut. Let's see about locomotion. Locomotion in leech takes place by two movement. One is looping or crawling movement. Another one is swimming movement. Looping or crawling movement, that is in the land. This type of movement is brought about by contraction and relaxation of muscles. The two suckers serve for attachment during movement on the substratum. Next one, swimming movement. Swimming movement, that is in the water. Leeches swim very actively and perform undulating movement in water. Next, we are going to see the digestive system. Digestive system includes long alimentary canal and digestive gland. Alimentary canal, the alimentary canal of leech is straight tube running from the mouth to anus. Mouth is a triradiate aperture situated in the middle of the anterior sucker that leads into the small buccal cavity. Mouth and buccal cavity occupy the first 5 segments. The buccal cavity leads into the small muscular pharynx. It is surrounded by salivary glands. The secretion of saliva contains hirudin. The pharynx leads into crop through a short and narrow esophagus. Crop is the largest portion of the alimentary canal. It is divided into 10 chambers. The crop and its diverticula can store large amount of blood which can slowly digested. The last chamber of crop open into the stomach. The stomach lead into the intestine, which is small straight tube that open into the rectum. The rectum open into the exterior by anus. That means mouth is upper part. That one next go into the buccal cavity. Next the buccal cavity lead into the pharynx. Pharynx lead into the esophagus. Esophagus lead into the chambers, crop chambers. After the crop chambers open to the stomach lead into the intestine. After that, small straight tube open into the rectum. The rectum open into the exterior by anus. Now we are going to see the food feeding and digestion. The leech feed by sucking the blood of cattle and other domestic animals. During feeding, the leech attaches itself to its victim strongly by the posterior sucker. The blood is sucked by muscular pharynx and salivary secretion is poured. The ingested blood is stored in the crop chambers and its diverticulum. The blood passes from the crop into the stomach. Digestions take place in the stomach by the action of proteolytic enzyme. The digested blood is then absorbed slowly by the intestine. Undigested food is stored in rectum and ejected through anus. That means they see the picture digestive system of leech. First one jaw, pharynx, esophagus, crop chambers, crop diverticula, stomach, intestine, rectum, anus. That like these parts, we can see the parts and food, feeding and digestion are completed. We are going to see the respiratory system of leech. Respiration takes place through skin. Tiny blood vessels called capillaries that contain hemophilic fluid. Exchange of respiratory gases takes place by diffusion. Oxygen dissolved in water, carbon dioxide diffuses out. Skin is moist and slimy, mucus prevent from the drying. Next, we are going to see the circulatory system of leech. Circulation is brought about by hemophilic system. There is no true blood vessels. The blood vessels are replaced by channels called hemophilic channels. There are four longitudinal channels. One channel lies above the alimentary canal, one below the alimentary canal. The other two channels lie on either side of the alimentary canal, which serves as heart and inner valves. All the four channels are connected together posteriorly in the 26th segment. We are going to see the nervous system. The central nervous system of leech consists of nerve ring and paired ventral nerve. The nerve ring surrounds the pharynx and formed subpharyngeal ganglion, circumpharyngeal connective, and subpharyngeal ganglion. That like three ganglions are there. One is subpharyngeal ganglion, circumpharyngeal connective, suprapharyngeal ganglion. The suprapharyngeal ganglion lies below the pharynx and is formed by the fusion of four pairs of ganglia. Next one, excretory system. Excretory. What is excretory system? Already we know what is excretory system. The leach excretion takes place by segmentally arranged paired tubule called nephridia. Paired tubule called nephridia. There are 17 pairs of nephridia when opened out by the nephridiophores from 6 to 22 segments. That means 17 pairs of nephridia are there that have is in the 6th to 22 segments. Now we are going to see the picture nervous system of leech. See the picture brain, first uppermost part brain, next ventral nerves are there. Ventral nerves are coming straight, come down. The ganglions are there, in between ganglions are there. Yes, brain, ventral nerve cord, ganglions. Okay, next we are going to see the reproductive system of a leech. Leech is hermaphrodite because both male and female reproductive organs are present in the same animal. So it is called hermaphrodite. Leech is a hermaphrodite. Male reproductive system. There are 11 pairs of testes one pair in each segment from 12 to 22 segments. They are in the form of spherical sac called tester sac. From each testis arises short duct called vas efferents, which join with the vas deferens. The vas deferens become convoluted to form epididymis or sperm vehicle. The epididymis lead to the short duct called the ejaculatory duct. The ejaculatory duct on both sides join to form the digital atrium. Next, female reproductive system. It consists of ovaries, oviduct, vagina. There is a single pair of ovary in the 11th segment of the ventral side. The 11th segment of the ventral side have one single pair of ovary. Each ovary coiled ribbon shaped structure. Each ovary is coiled ribbon shaped structure. Ova are budded off from the ovary. The ova are budded off from the ovary. From each ovary runs short oviduct. Oviduct of the two sides are joined together to form a common oviduct. The common oviduct open into the pear-shaped vagina, which lies mid-ventrally in the posterior part of the 11th segment. Next one, development. Internal fertilization takes place. This is followed by cocoon formation. Cocoon is also known as egg case, which is formed around 9th, 10th and 11th segment. Development of direct and proceed in cocoon, which contain 1 to 24 embryos. Each young leech resembling the adult emerges. Now we will see the picture. Reproductive system. Male reproductive system, that is 11 pairs of testes. How many pairs of testes? 11 pairs of testes that form spherical sac, that is testal sac. Testis sac. The testes arises vas efferents, which join with vas deferens. Vas deferens become convoluted epididymis, that is a sperm vesicle. The epididymis leads into short duct, that is ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct two region. One is colloid prostate gland. Another one is pineal sac. This is a male reproductive system. Next, same picture that female reproductive system also there. That is ovaries, oviduct, vagina. Ovaries, see the picture, ovaries, oviduct and vagina. That 11th segment have single pair of ovary. The ovary is ribbon shaped structure. That ova are budded off from the ovary. Each ovary runs short oviduct. Oviduct of two sides join together to form a common oviduct. The two side common oviduct are there. The common oviduct open into the pear shaped vagina. See the picture, vagina. Pear shaped vagina. After that lies mid ventrally in the posterior part of the 11th segment. Now let us see the parasitic adaptation of leech. Parasitic adaptation of leech. Leeches lead a parasitic mode of life by sucking the blood of vertebrates. First point, the blood is sucked by pharynx. Blood is sucked by pharynx. And also, anterior and posterior ends of body are provided with suckers. There are three jaws in the mouth. There are three jaws in the mouth. The salivary gland produces hirudin. Already we studied the salivary glands produce hirudin, which does not allow the blood to coagulate. Thus, a continuous supply of blood is maintained. Parapodia and setae are completely absent. That means here no parapodia and setae. And blood is stored in the crop. Blood is stored in the crop. It gives nourishment to the leech of for several months. Due to this reason, there is no elaborate secretion of the digestive juices and enzymes. That's all. Now you have to make 10 one word. You have to make 10 one words from this chapter. Okay? Next one, assignment. Organ system of leech. Organ systems of leech. That means digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, excretory system, reproductive system. This much only. Okay. One assignment. That heading is organ systems of leech. Okay. You submit your assignment in the school. Okay. Do your homework properly. Study this lesson properly. Okay, children.